The UK spouse visa can be granted to married partners of UK citizens, indefinite leave to remain holders, or individuals with right of abode in the UK, settled status or refugee status. Once issued, it allows the civil partner or spouse to immigrate to the UK to live, work or study freely so long as they continue to meet the spouse visa requirements. Both the applicant and their partner must be over 18 years old, with a genuine marriage over 2 years old. Both partners must have met in person. You must demonstrate your intention to live together in the UK, along with financial self-sufficiency to support yourselves and any dependents, including adequate accommodation and an annual salary of at least £18,600. In addition to providing evidence for these requirements, you will also need to submit your visa application form, your valid passport and 2 passport-sized photographs. You will also need a certificate of criminal records from a reputable court and the proof of paid visa application fees and health surcharge. As an applicant, you must also prove your proficiency in the English language, unless you are a native English-speaking national from certain specific countries. Evidence of this can be provided either by presenting a recognized academic qualification taught or researched in English, or by passing an A1 level English language proficiency test. Note that a proposed civil partner of a British citizen is not eligible for the spouse visa. They would need to apply for the unmarried partner visa, also known as a fiancé visa. If you are applying from within the UK, you can complete your application online or through postal mail. If you are outside the UK, this must be done online. In order to apply, you must fill out the VAF4A form online and then select a visa application centre where you will provide your biometrics information. Pay the visa application fee and the health surcharge. This gives you access to NHS services when you arrive in the UK. Next, you will need to make an appointment to submit your biometrics. You will also need to provide your passport and other supporting documents to the visa application centre. If you're resident in a country where tuberculosis is endemic, you will need to provide a tuberculosis test result to prove you're free of the disease. If your visa application is approved, you will be issued a permit for a 30-day entry into the UK. Upon arrival in the UK, you have 10 days to collect your biometric residence permit, which contains the biometric data you provided during your application. If your application is rejected, you can appeal the Home Office decision, but only with solid proof that it makes it impossible for you and your spouse to be together. If you apply for the UK spouse visa from outside the UK, this will be valid for 33 months. If you apply from within the UK, it will be valid for 30 months. Before the expiration of your visa, you can apply for an extension of 2 years and 6 months. After a total of 5 years in the UK, you become eligible to apply for settlement and subsequently, you can apply for UK citizenship. Processing time for the UK spouse visa may take up to 24 weeks if you're applying from outside the UK. Applications within the UK may take 8 weeks through standard service or as little as 2 working days if you apply through the super priority service. We have successfully helped numerous individuals get reunited with their spouses in the UK. If you need assistance with your spouse visa application, get in touch with us today.